In this quick explainer, we're going to walk you through how to create a GetResponse autoresponder account and set up your email automation with ease. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, not only will you know how to get started with GetResponse, but I'll also share some powerful alternatives that might be a better fit for your goals. First off, head over to GetResponse's website. You'll see a big call to action to get started. Click that, and you'll be prompted to enter your basic details: name, email, and password. It's simple. You'll also need to choose your plan, but don't worry, you can start with a free trial to test the waters. Next, once you're in, the dashboard will greet you. Here, you'll want to start by setting up your first autoresponder. Click on the Automation tab, and from there, you can select Create Workflow. This is where the magic happens, and you can easily create automated email sequences for your subscribers. The third thing you'll do is integrate your email list. If you already have a list of contacts, it's easy to import them here. You can upload from a CSV file, or if you're coming from another platform, GetResponse has integrations to pull your contacts directly. This step is key. Your autoresponder can't work without a list. Next, you'll want to design your first autoresponder email. Click the Create Message button, and GetResponse will guide you through their drag and drop editor. This is where you can customize your email's content, design, and call to action. You'll be able to send welcome emails, product promotions, or newsletters automatically at the time intervals you set. The fifth thing to do is set your triggers. Triggers are what make your autoresponder work. They define what happens when someone subscribes or takes a specific action on your site. This step helps you fine-tune how your emails are sent and what they're about. Make sure you think about what kind of customer journey you want to create. Now, while GetResponse is a solid choice for email marketing and automation, it does have its downsides. Some users find that the interface can be overwhelming for beginners, and the pricing isn't always the most budget-friendly if you're just starting. Plus, if your focus is mainly on creating high-converting funnels, there are better options out there. And that brings me to the last thing. While GetResponse is a great tool, I'm going to show you some alternatives that might better serve your needs, especially if you're after something more intuitive or cost-effective for autoresponders and funnels. At the end of this video, I'll mention an exclusive offer where you can get an extended free trial of GetResponse, but I've also included some other options that offer similar features, often with more affordable pricing or a more user-friendly experience. You'll get access to the best free trial deals available through our link, with exclusive benefits only for our viewers. So, now that you know how to create your GetResponse autoresponder account, remember to consider all the options before locking yourself in. Whether you stick with GetResponse or check out the alternatives, I've got you covered with all the best tools for your email marketing journey.